Crash course on psychology, cognitive psychology. Learn about cognitive processes such as perception, attention, and memory. Certainly. Let's begin with a crash course on cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology is the study of mental processes, such as perception, attention, memory, language, and problem solving. These processes allow us to understand the world around us, make decisions, and interact with others. Let's dive deeper into some popular cognitive processes. Perception. Perception is the process of organizing and interpreting sensory information from the environment. For example, we use perception to understand the shape, size, and color of objects we see. Attention. Attention is the process of selecting and focusing on a specific aspect of the environment. We use attention to filter out distractions and concentrate on what's important. Memory. Memory is the process of encoding, storing, and retrieving information. We use memory to recall past experiences, knowledge, and skills. Language. Language is the process of communication through symbols and sounds. We use language to convey our thoughts, feelings, and ideas to others. Reasoning. Reasoning is the process of using information to make conclusions and solve problems. We use reasoning to think critically and logically about situations. Decision-making. Decision-making is the process of choosing between multiple options. We use decision-making to evaluate the pros and cons of each option and choose the best one. Problem-solving. Problem-solving is the process of finding a solution to a difficult situation. We use problem-solving to identify the problem, generate possible solutions, and select the best one. Creativity. Creativity is the process of generating new ideas or concepts. We use creativity to think outside the box and come up with unique solutions or creations. Emotion. Emotion is the process of feeling and expressing our feelings. We use emotion to communicate with others, and it influences our thoughts and behavior. Perception of time. Perception of time is the process of how we experience the passage of time. It influences our sense of time, duration, and interval. Attention span. Attention span is the amount of time we can concentrate on a task or activity. It varies from person to person and can be influenced by factors such as motivation, interest, and fatigue. Learning. Learning is the process of acquiring new knowledge, skills, or behaviors. We use learning to adapt to new situations and improve our abilities. To give some examples, perception can be affected by illusions, where our brain misinterprets sensory information. Attention can be tested through activities such as the Stroop test, where people must concentrate on the color of a word while ignoring the actual word. Memory can be influenced by factors such as attention and emotion, and is tested through tasks such as recalling a list of words. In summary, cognitive psychology is the study of mental processes that enable us to interact with the world around us. By understanding these processes, we can better understand how people think, behave, and communicate. And now, as promised, here's a poem about cognitive psychology. The mind is a wonder, a puzzle to solve. A world of perception, attention, and recall. From senses to symbols, we process it all. Our thoughts and our language, a cognitive sprawl. Our memory stores our experiences and skills. While attention filters the noise and the thrills. We reason and solve problems, create and decide. Our emotions a compass, our logic our guide. The passage of time, our attention span. Our ability to learn, to grow, to expand. The mind is a marvel, a work of art. A cognitive wonder, a world to impart. Here is a song on this topics. Verse 1. In our minds, there's a world to explore. Perception, attention, and memory galore. We take in the world through our senses and more. Cognitive psychology helps us understand what's in store. Chorus. Perception, attention, memory. Cognitive processes we need to see. From sensations to thoughts and identity. Cognitive psychology helps us be. Verse 2. Perceptions the way we make sense of it all. Our brains interpret stimuli, big and small. Attention is focused, it's what we recall. And memory helps us remember, it's our recall. Chorus. Perception, attention, memory. Cognitive processes we need to see. From sensations to thoughts and identity. Cognitive psychology helps us be. Bridge. From illusions to biases and heuristics. Cognitive psychology has its tricks. Understanding our mind is a gift. It helps us cope, it's a lift. Chorus. Perception, attention, memory. Cognitive processes we need to see. From sensations to thoughts and identity. Cognitive psychology helps us be. Outrow. In our minds, there's a world to explore. Cognitive psychology helps us understand what's in store. Perception, attention, and memory galore. Cognitive processes we need to explore. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.